Welcome to the channel. This is just a quick tutorial on how to make 3D isometric text. So let's just jump into this dead quickly. So open your Illustrator, going to create a new piece of work. And just for now, just select anything here, just put common. So you have your black canvas, just make some text. So for the sake of this, just call it channel, so rainbow, make this bigger. So yeah, you have your main text. Let's just center this. And in order to do it's very quick this. So all you have to do from here, just go to Effect, 3D, Extrude, and Bevel. So if you go in here, you can see already like the text is transformed a bit. So if you're not seeing something instantly, just go into Preview. You can just tick this, and you'll see Live. So from Position, here's where you choose your the angle you're coming from. So the ones we're going to focus on here are the isometric ones. I'm taking a tutorial. So you can just show you some examples of this. So isometric left, uh, right, you can see it's quite cool, top and bottom. So for this, I'm just going to select top and just go OK. So you can see the text. So now because you haven't mastered this yet, you can change the text still. So let's just change this to hello, and then you can see it's done this now. So that's kind of the end of the tutorial, but if you want to go into further, if you just keep watching, I can show you how to change the colors and stuff and whatnot. So with this, you can see that it's looking just like a big block at the moment. There's no definition here with the shadowing. So let's just change it to a different color. Doesn't really matter. Let's just go for a nice pink, I guess. So you can see now the text is coming a bit more alive. You can see the shadowing coming in here. So what I do now, I would change this so it's expanded. So this means no longer you can edit the text. So once you're happy with your text, you can go into Object and expand the appearance. So for now, you can see you've got all the little holding points and stuff, and you've kind of finalized this the text. So just going to make this a bit more prettier. So I'm just going to put a background to this. So select a rectangle tool and just put that in there. Let's change the ordering so it's under it all. Let's lock that. And if you press Command and Y, you can see the wireframe of it. So you can see how it joins together and whatnot. And for what I've noticed with when you do these isometric things, for curves, it kind of breaks it up a bit. So what I'd suggest is you want to merge these shapes together so they're one piece, depending on what you're going for. So for example, let's do this one here. If I select that, you can go into your Pathfinder tool, and then you've got this one here, which unites everything. So if you click on that, it makes it all one shape. So you can see now if I press Control and Y, Command and Y, Control and Y if you're on Windows, it's all one shape. So I'd clean this up a bit just for the sake of your sanity when you come to editing stuff. So just quickly merge these together. Actually, you don't want that one. It's quite fiddly. It's a quite fiddly thing to do. So just try to grab what you can, merge together. So yeah, I think we got everything there. No, so missing these pieces. Looks like it's behind. Yeah, okay, so that doesn't really matter. And then we've got, what else do we have? This one here. Let's merge that together. Missing a few panels. Merge that. I think nearly everything. So a few more here. Merge it together. So yeah, we have this. So as you can see, now you'll be able to manipulate these a bit better. So let's say we wanted to change the colors around. You can press Y on your keyboard and you get, is it Y? Yeah, W, sorry. Y. Nope. Yeah, Y. So, and then you can click a color and it will select any color what is like it. So if you want to make it more granular with how you select it, you can double click on this and you can see the tolerance. So it's just a tolerance to 1. And then you can press Y and just click on here. And you can see it selects everything in that color. So let's say you wanted to change the color here to let's say the light coming down from the top. So you want it to be lighter. So you've got white here, And then you wanted to change the side bits, so you can press Y again, select, and you can see everything on here has been selected. Let's make this like a grey colour to give a bit more shadowing. It's a bit darker here now. And then the bottom would be the very darkest, so press Y again, and you can select these colours. And let's make that a darker grey. So press that, and you can see it's darker. So with the ones where we merge stuff, you can see these haven't been selected because these are different colors and whatnot. So you can choose to have this like a solid color. So you can press Y, you can just select it, press I, and you can be like, okay, then this works for you. Like just a basic kind of thing. But if you want to make it a bit more like cleaner looking, I'll try to add a gradient to this. So I'll show you how to do that quickly. So you want a darker color to be around here, and then this lighter gray on the side here. So you select your shape, then you go to, I think you go to the gradient thing here. You can select, just select the sky, let's say, and then just slowly move the colors around. So this is a good setup already. You can see the darker to light here. So it's going to work that way for us, but we're going to just change the color. So the dark is on the bottom and the lighter is on the side. So if you select your first color from the gradient bar here, and then the pick color picker, we want to go for the dark, so let's take that. And then next color along, you can choose the same color there, or you can maybe ramp it down a bit. So you go into this, you can like move it here. So go it's a bit lighter, and then the next one along. Let's go for this one. Make it lighter here, and then the final one lighter again. So as you can see here, it's looking a bit more like it makes more sense color-wise here. So you can play with this to try and get it perfect. So I'm going to fiddle with this one a bit more. I think I'm happy with this with the O. So I'm going to try copy this now. So what I do is select the shape here for the dot on the exclamation mark, and then press I to color pick from here. So if you click on this, because I want to color pick it, adds a gradient in there, and the same way. And then here, let's make this. This is on the inside. Let's copy this, and it works the same. So it's kind of I think maybe this is a bit too dark here. So if you click on this, go back to your gradient tool. Let's make this darker gray, a bit of a lighter one. So just bring this up. Do this now. Yeah, so let's just pick like a lighter, just a bit of a lighter gray. So we want it to be more subtle on the inside. Yeah, so that's a lot better now. You can see it's a lot cleaner. So yeah, that's basically just a quick tutorial on how to like make isometric text. If it helped, it would be nice if you could like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, like this is my first tutorial on something like this, or something I could work on in the future. Okay, take care, bye.